How to share story of others on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can share stories of others on Instagram. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to share other story, it depends on where you're trying to share. If you're trying to share it to your own story, you could possibly do that. If you're trying to share it and send it as a DM to someone, so let me also just go and show you what the options look like. If I open a specific one over here and if I tap on the DMs icon at the bottom, I'll be able to send it to those people. But keep in mind that if the person whose story you're trying to share, if their account is private, only people who follow them will be able to go ahead and view the story. For example, you can share this on your DM, but you'll not be able to share them anywhere else, not on your post, not on your feed or anywhere else. So you can also try to choose a public account over here. Once you choose a public account, tap on the DMs icon, and here now you can just send it to just about anybody, and people who tap on the specific link will be able to go ahead and then view that story. So let me also just go ahead and send it to someone else for the random purpose. And once I do that, I can come to the DMs page, and if I just go ahead and tap on that story, I'll be able to view those. If you want to share someone's story to your own story, you need to be mentioned in that story. For example, I'm mentioned in the story. That's why I'm being able to find the option called add this to your story. If I open the story tab, here you'll find add this to your story. If I tap on it, then I'll be able to be taken to the next page where I'll be able to add it to my story. If you're not tagged in it, you can also share it, but for that you have to take a screenshot and then share them manually. Hope this video cleared the confusion as to how you can share someone else's story, whether you want to share them on DMs or to your own story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.